Have you ever rummaged through your kitchen cupboards and found wrinkled, dry, or sprouted ginger roots and then hastily threw them away? If so, you have wasted a precious treasure without even knowing it. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Ginger, a familiar spice in every kitchen, is often bought when it is cheap but is easily forgotten until it dries out and loses its smell. Surprisingly, those seemingly useless ginger roots can become a powerful assistant in cleaning the kitchen, safe, economical, and surprisingly effective. Let's explore with me the uses and benefits of dried ginger in today's video. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Tip 1. Make a relaxing foot soak. First, pick a few slices of wilted ginger. It doesn't have to be fresh, just fragrant and not moldy. Use a pestle or spoon to lightly pound the ginger. This helps the ginger essence to easily release into the water. Then, bring a small pot of water to a boil, then add the ginger. Continue to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the essential oils seep into the water. When the water is still moderately hot, pour it into a basin to soak your feet. It is best to soak for about 15 to 20 minutes, ideally in the evening before going to bed. Ginger helps warm the body, increase blood circulation, reduce pain, and sleep more deeply. Small note, you can add a little salt or a few slices of lemon to increase the relaxation effect. If you use it regularly 2 to 3 times a week, you will clearly feel the change. Your feet will be less cold. Your body will feel much lighter. A simple tip to use old ginger, free of cost and extremely easy to do. Just try it once and you will want to maintain it every night. Tip 2. Use as a multi-purpose cleaning solution. Cut all the spoiled ginger into thin slices and shreds. Put in a clean jar. Add baking soda because baking soda has cleaning properties. Pour boiling water in to activate the active ingredients in the ginger. Stir well to dissolve the baking soda, then let the mixture rest for about 15 minutes to let the flavor and nutrients from the ginger blend into the water. Filter out the residue, keep the liquid. Pour into a spray bottle and shake well. Spray the solution onto the stove surface, the edge of the stove, and places with grease. For stubborn stains, spray a lot and leave for a few minutes to soften the stains. If the stove is cleaned regularly, wait 5 minutes. If it has not been cleaned for a long time, wait 10 minutes. Use a clean cloth. Baking soda helps remove grease effectively, making the surface shiny like new. Ginger contains gingerol, which has the effect of killing bacteria, cleaning and deodorizing quickly. Ginger plus baking soda solution also cleans metal equipment such as range hoods, stainless steel faucets, electric kettles, tea sets, etc. Especially for faucets with limescale, which is difficult to clean without a specialized solution. You can spray this solution on, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then use a towel or brush to wipe it. Baking soda helps remove scale. Ginger helps brighten stainless steel. After wiping, the faucet is shiny like new. Very effective. Greasy dishes are difficult to clean without dishwashing liquid. Many people worry that chemical dishwashing liquid has a strong smell, and if not washed properly, it will leave harmful chemicals when eaten. Just spray a little homemade ginger baking soda solution on the dishes. Baking soda removes grease, even stubborn stains. Ginger essential oil helps kill bacteria, cleans well, and has a pleasant aroma. Wipe a few times and then rinse with water. Dishes are clean and shiny. Tip 3. Make fertilizer for watering plants with ginger. First, wash the ginger to remove all the sand and dirt from the skin. You don't need to peel it. The skin also contains many essential oils and antibacterial properties that are beneficial for plants. Next, slice the ginger into thin slices and pound it. Put all the pounded ginger into a large bowl. Add about 1 liter of clean water and stir well. Add about 1 liter of clean water and stir well. Let the mixture soak for about 1 to 2 hours, helping the active ingredients in the ginger dissolve into the water. Next, use a sieve or thin cloth to separate the pulp, keeping only the juice. Prepare a spray bottle and pour the ginger juice into it. Dilute with clean water in a ratio of 1 to 5, i.e. 1 part ginger juice and 5 parts regular water. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. You should water directly at the base of the tree in the early morning or cool afternoon. Avoid watering when the sun is strong. Just watering 1 to 2 times a week is enough to keep the tree healthy, lush, and effectively avoid pests and diseases. Tip 4. Regrowing ginger is super easy. No need to buy seeds. Did you know those sprouting ginger roots are actually an opportunity to regenerate into new ginger plants? First, choose a firm ginger root with sprouts emerging. If any part is damaged, you can use a knife to cut it off, leaving the sprouts and intact ginger flesh. Place the cut ginger in a cool place for 1 to 2 days to allow the cut to dry, which will help prevent rot when planted. Next, prepare a small pot of soil. preferably loose, well-drained soil. If you have coconut fiber or rice husk ash mixed in, that's even better. Place the ginger root horizontally on the ground, sprout facing up, and cover lightly with a thin layer of soil about 3 to 5 centimeters deep. Water lightly to keep moist, but don't overwater. Ginger doesn't tolerate waterlogged soil. Place the pot in a cool, slightly sunny spot such as a balcony or windowsill. After just 10 to 15 days, you will see the ginger sprouts grow tall and develop into lush green plants. If you take care of them regularly, after about 8 to 10 months, you can harvest fresh ginger grown by yourself. A small, simple, inexpensive tip to help you turn a seemingly discarded ginger root into a useful mini garden right at home. So we have just discovered 4 extremely useful ways to recycle wilted ginger. Each tip is simple, easy to do, but brings surprising results, helping you make the most of the ingredient that you thought was discarded. If you have any other good tips to make use of wilted ginger, don't hesitate to share them in the comments section below. I look forward to learning more from you. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.